You've got your eye on her. She keeps glancing at you across the room, and sometimes you catch her doing it when she thinks you're not looking. Sometimes she smirks at you, and when she does, something in your gut tells you she's into you. Maybe she is, or maybe she's not, but you can feel that spark hanging in the air between you. It's unmistakably sexual tension, and there's no denying it. Here's the problem, though. You don't want to make a move and mess things up. After all, it's the workplace. You can't afford drama or a risk to your reputation. Your entire career is on the line here. And yet every time she walks past you, you feel that pull, a pull you can't ignore. As some wise people would say, don't shit where you eat. I mean, yeah, sure, it sounds smart on paper, but let's be honest here. You spend half your life at work. It's entirely possible that you'll develop chemistry with someone while you're there. In fact, studies show that up to 15% of couples first meet at work. That's a whopping 1 in 6, so clearly, the old saying is not that practical. Still, I'll say this. You must be careful. Workplace flirting can blow up spectacularly if you're careless. But if you play it right, if you understand the psychology behind attraction like a pro Shogun Method practitioner, then you can make her fall for you quietly, naturally, without ever crossing a line. That's what this Shogun Method video is about. No cheap tricks or corny lines or stupid pickup artist tactics, but real, hardcore emotional influence strategy. The first thing to do is to gauge her interest level, because this is the most important question of all. If she's interested in you, there's more leeway you'll get without her shrieking her way into the HR director's room. And that's the leeway that would make it easy or hard for you to use Shogun Method on her. So how do you know if she's into you? We have a full methodology I teach inside Shogun Method at shogunmethod.com. But here's a short list of 3 surefire signs. First, she finds reasons to talk to you. She stops by your desk and offers to help you out. She finds excuses just to be around you. And when she is, she laughs a little too easily, even if you've not said or done anything remotely funny. Second, you catch her looking at you during meetings. Specifically, when something funny happens, she looks to see your reaction first before anyone else. She also seems to be always adjusting herself in your presence. Third, she's happy to hang out outside work. Coffee breaks, team lunches, happy hours. She goes if you're going. Now here's where most guys get it wrong. They see the signs and do nothing. As all Shogun Method practitioners know, attraction is a fleeting thing, and feelings die as quickly as they form. As Shoguns, we quickly escalate small sparks of attraction into a tornado of emotions that ultimately leads to emotional enslavement. We'll talk about the state of emotional enslavement later, but if you're interested to know now, it's the term we give to the endgame state of relationships. To find out more, go to iraymodel.com to download a free digital book. Pause this video and come back here when you're done. To quickly recap, here's what we've covered so far. Before making a move on a woman at work, you must first check if she's at least interested in you. And if she is, then you must escalate it quickly, as attraction has a time window. You'll find an entire arsenal of mind control tools to escalate a woman's attraction inside the Shogun Method knowledge base at shogunmethod.net. But we're going to zero in on a particular technique we call implanted commands. It's one of those concepts that sounds simple, but once you see how it works, you'll understand why it's so powerful, if not downright dangerous, in the right hands. So here's the idea behind implanted commands. When you tell a woman what to do directly, her brain resists. If you say, "Have lunch with me," she'll feel pressured to give you a positive answer, and her guard goes up. So, here's what happens. Even if she likes you a little, she'll find a reason to say no. But if you implant the command inside a casual statement, her conscious mind doesn't catch it as it slides under her radar. Plant the idea in her mind by saying, "I'd ask you to have lunch with me, but maybe not." She'll look at you with a confused look, feeling curious or maybe even amused. She'll ask, "Why not?" Or, "What do you mean?" And right there, she's already engaged because the command slipped into her subconscious before she even realized it. And here's what's going to happen. When she ends up saying yes, something weird happens in her mind. In her female brain, she starts rationalizing why she agreed to your request. She'll think, "I don't usually do this, but I just trust him." And that's how it begins. A subtle sense of trust, curiosity, an emotional pull that grows stronger every time she talks to you. That's what Shogun Method mind control is. It's hypnosis, but not manipulation in the creepy sense. Shogun Method is about understanding how female emotions work and guiding them where you want them to go. It's how doctors help people overcome lifelong, deep-seated trauma. It's how top negotiators slowly and covertly bend conversations their way. And yes, it's how shoguns influence women on a deep subconscious level. Now, here's the thing about the female psyche. The more you understand it, the easier everything gets. You'll see why some women chase you, while others don't even notice you. With Shogun Method, you'll gain so much know-how about female psychology that you'll learn how to bypass their defenses and speak directly to the part of them that decides who they can't stop thinking about. But I'll be honest here. What you found out here about Shogun Method is just a taster, or a small fraction of the real thing. 1% of 1% of the whole shebang. Inside Shogun Method, mind control goes way deeper than anything you've seen before, trust me. You'll learn how to use emotional triggers, conversational patterns, and psychological loops to make women crave your presence. You'll understand what really drives attraction. Not surface charm, but emotional addiction. And that's what separates the amateurs from the men women never forget. Now, here's the thing. The bad news is, most guys will never get this message. They'll keep trying to be nice and keep hoping their coworker notices them. Worse, they'll keep playing small because they're scared to learn what real control looks like. You're not most guys. I mean, let's be real here. You wouldn't still be watching this video if you were. If you're ready to see what power over women really looks like, then go to fractionation.org right now and sign up for the official Shogun Method online masterclass. There, you'll see how fractionation and mind control combine to make a woman emotionally hooked on you. You'll learn how to trigger her hot mode, keep her addicted, and own her focus completely. We've talked briefly about emotional enslavement. Inside Shogun Method, you'll escalate her until she reaches a state of ultimate emotional bondage that she'd never quit you for a lifetime. But here's the truth. Shogun Method isn't for everyone. The weak will misuse the knowledge, and dull-witted guys won't even understand what they're looking at. So if you're not serious, take it from me. Don't join. But if you are, and if you're ready to command attraction instead of chasing it like a simp, then your initiation as a shogun starts at fractionation.org. If you're ready to take up the challenge and live up to be the virtuous masculine God ordained you to be, come join the worldwide Shogun Method revolution. Click the link in the first comment under this video, or go to this website directly, fractionation.org.